prescribed fire is critical for red-cockaded woodpecker management. Red-cockaded woodpeckers depend on open woodlands like this. If there's very much hardwood mid-story or hardwood overstory, it becomes unsuitable for them and they'll leave. So regular fire is important to keep that hardwood mid-story down and encourage grasses and forbs, native plants in the ground cover. This native ground cover is what produces a lot of the food that they eat. And it also, prescribed fire helps keep conditions suitable for longleaf regeneration, all of which are important for red-cockaded woodpeckers. Not only for the woodpeckers, but also for some of the other species we talked about that we manage for here and that depend on this ecosystem. Gopher tortoises depend on open stands without sunlight in the ground cover. The grasses they depend on are shaded out. Same with bobwhite quail. Bobwhite quail depend on fire as well. Bachman sparrows must have fire to maintain this grassy understory. On River Creek, each individual stand is burned every other year. So we're on about a 2-year fire return. So this stand was burned this year. It will not be burned next year. But the stands here are broken up into units, and each adjacent unit is burned every other year. It's sort of a patchwork, a mosaic of burns.